we're going to talk about torch ginger, also called Etlingera genus. It is in the ginger family. There's 4 stages that we like to cut. The first stage is your candlestick stage. This is when the center is tight, the sepals or the bracts just start opening up and you can actually pull them apart. The center is tight. You can't see the flower opening yet, but it's very good in bouquets and smaller arrangements. Our next stage is my favorite and the stage that lasts the longest. It's when the center starts opening up. I call it the globe. It's bigger, it's impressive, it has a very clean look, and it's the full grown flower structure. The third stage is when the globe starts fluffing out. It's still usable in your day-to-day arrangements and events. It doesn't last as long, but still impressive, a very different look, a lot of texture in the center of the globe. Our final stage is when the globe's fluffing out and you start to get the actual flowers of the torch ginger popping up. This is the largest you're going to see the flower. It's very good in day events. Certain other